Guys, welcome back to another video. I was just finishing up some work on one of the projects for this channel and the automotive therapy vision. So I'm full of excitement right now because I just got one of the bigger tasks done towards reaching that goal. But welcome back to another video. You guys will find out what I am working on soon. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and break down why I almost sold my car a few weeks ago. So let's go talk about it. Alrighty guys, let's hop in my car. So, I hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to another video. As you know, what I just said, we're gonna talk about why I almost sold my M4 a few weeks ago. So to kind of hop right into this, I listed my car for sale like end of May, beginning of June for $55,000. That's a lot of money, especially for a used car for 2016. I had people messaging me left and right. Like, some people were making offers that were like low 50s, high 40s, but I'm not even kidding. I had people that were willing to drop $55,000 on this car, which is wild to me. And I'm gonna explain why I did not accept any of those offers and why I did not sell the car. And I'm gonna explain why I was able to sell it or put it on the market for $55,000 to kind of test the waters and experiment it. One thing that I think we all can say that we've noticed, especially if you're a viewer that is in the market for an M4, M3, is that the value of these cars have jumped up like a lot. And that doesn't happen normally, especially with BMWs. Normally they depreciate, which these cars have been doing the last couple of years, but now they have appreciated in value and they're worth a lot more money than they were just a couple of months ago. So for example, I bought my M4 back in November of 2020 for just over $40,000, which is wild because in today's market, if you heard that, that would be so cheap. This car had one owner, clean Carfax, just over 20,000 miles, fully loaded, just had everything, and in today's market, it would be worth so much more. But I picked it up for just over 40,000. That was when dealerships had low inventory. They weren't making as much money, and I was able to do some negotiating and lower the price and just a lot of different factors. And, that was kind of towards like the peak of, not the peak, but like towards the end of COVID, but still market value was super low, easy to pick one of these up. Now I listed my car for $55,000 a few weeks ago. And like I said, I had people interested at that price. I mean, think about this, making almost like $15,000 in profit off of an M4. Like I would basically be driving this car for free because of the appreciation in this car. Now, that all sounds great, but I know if I were to sell this car, I would honestly be bored and I would probably buy another one. And that wouldn't make any sense because I'd be buying it when the market is like hot right now, when the prices are up. So I got a car for a really good price. I'm gonna enjoy my low payments and everything on it because now if you buy one of these, it's the complete opposite. So I think a couple reasons why it's gone up in value is because there's not a lot of used cars that are for sale right now. And also BMW just released their new G80, G82 generation of the M4 and M3s. And there's still not a lot of people that are fans of the new generation, the new designs and a lot of different things. So those enthusiasts still want to be a part of this generation. So there's more people searching for these cars and not a lot of people are selling them. I mean, there's some people who are trying to make money off of it and sell them and make profit and everything, but a lot of people are holding on to these cars just because it's the last generation of BMWs was the classic BMW design to it and classic BMW features. So it's hard for people to let go of this generation right now. I do believe that this is going to be a temporary thing. I highly doubt that these cars are going to hold their value for years. I believe within the next couple of months to a year that they're going to drop back in price. So don't worry, for those who are trying to buy one of these, just patiently wait, and I promise you they'll be back down into their normal price range. But it's just like, it's something that you don't get to see very often, when these kind of cars just jump up in value. And it's not even like BMWs. It's so many other cars. Like, I know Porsches, honestly, I'm having a brain fart right now, but I know there's several other automakers that have jumped up in value due to low stock and low availability and just more desire towards the cars right now. Because right now, I would say people are making more money just because of unemployment, stimulus checks. There's more money in the economy right now, and that causes people who want to buy a new car to go out and buy a new car. So there's different factors, and people are willing to spend more money right now. I think they're starting to recover from COVID. So yeah, I think that they're going to go back down in value, and it's going to be back to normal soon. But you know, I really couldn't sell this car because I have so many plans for it. I just enjoy making videos on this car, and I don't know, this car is just way too great of a piece of art to just let go just to make a little extra money. Because I was interested in selling it to actually buy one of the new generation M4s, but I'm not ready for that yet. I kind of want to wait for that new generation to see what kind of issues they may have. I want to see, I want to wait for the aftermarket community to jump up with those cars. It's going to be a while. I can definitely see myself buying a G82 M4, but right now the F8X is perfect, and it's everything that I need right now. It's actually funny because I had people message me on Instagram like, is this your car for sale? Like, people were recognizing my car on some of the more common selling platforms, and people are just confused on like why I was selling it and everything. But yeah, guys, that's basically all I kind of wanted to break down in this video. I definitely wanted to explain and kind of give you guys some input on what I thought about the whole topic on it, and I think it's very interesting. I want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments, because I know I'm definitely missing out on some information, kind of better explaining why exactly the market is doing what it's doing. So if you guys want to comment down below and kind of explain why you think these cars are up in value and so many other cars, and what do you think? Would it be smart to sell it and make profit, or do you think just keep the car, enjoy it, enjoy what you got? I got it for such a low price, so I mean, I'm not paying that much money towards it, and it worked out really well. I got it right at the sweet spot, and I'm very lucky to be able to buy this car or be paying for a car that's, you know, worth way more right now. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comments. I'm very curious to see what you guys have to say on this topic, because it's really fascinating to me. Well, that's gonna end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video, guys, because I'm gonna be making some great content coming up here shortly. The M4 is staying, don't worry. Like and subscribe, it helps out big time, and follow my journey. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.